Welcome back to the channel one more time, guys. So today is a monumentous day. It's a big day, right, for the Delpratt family and also for you guys. A huge opportunity, right? This is an exciting development here in St. Catherine, right, called the Great House Estate. We're actually here for the groundbreaking ceremony of the Great House Estate. This development will have over 400 units. The Great House Estate is actually a storied one. Actually, the Great House, you can see it there in the distance just on top of the hill. We're gonna do some drone shots to actually go up there. So there's actually the groundbreaking for the Great House Estate, and also the Thetford Great House would be recognized as a national monument. So the Great House is actually a great house for old sugar plantation, the Thetford Park sugar plantation, right? But fast forward today, 2024, that Great House is still there standing, and it will be a part of this monumentous development. All right, so the Great House will actually be transformed into the clubhouse for the Great House Estate. As you can see, they are working assiduously to get the model units ready. All right, so just stay tuned. We will be the first to bring to you virtual tours of these model units. This development will come with 2-bed, 2-bath, 3-bed, 2-bath units. They're all bungalows. As you can see there's some grill work up at the top that shows you that you'll be able to, there'll be access upstairs. All right, and a lot of details, a lot of exciting things to come with this development, so just stay tuned. We will share more, all right? Important to note in terms of pricing, this development, as I said, there will be townhouses as well, but for the first phase, there will be only these bungalows. The bungalows are 2-bed, 2-bath, and 3-bed, 2-bath units. All right. The 2-bed, 2-bath units will be going for $245,000 US. The 3-bed, 2-bath will be going for $295,000 US. All right, and there's special pricing available for cash purchasers, pre-construction. All right, so stay tuned, guys. All right, stay tuned.
Hold on, let me take my time.
The Great House Estate groundbreaking ceremony. We're excited for this one, and I hope you guys are too. We got a lot of information coming to you guys, so stay tuned.
you will probably have another ceremony when the renovation of the Great House has taken place, so that it can be properly installed on the Great House. Thank you so very much.
Thank you very much, Lorna Bailey from the Jamaica National Heritage Trust. This means a lot to us. As I'd indicated earlier, when we were on our way to look at another property, and then I got a phone call that the Great House is still available. And we turned back from where we were heading, and we made an appointment to meet with our realtor at the time. And we came here, we said we want it. We did not know that it was the Thetford Great House was not a national monument, right? But so what NEPA has going for them is this Developers National Development Assistance Program, where they have meetings with the developers and all the stakeholders. The National Heritage Trust was one of them, the NWC, Mines and Geologists, every single body that was there. And we believe it is a good exercise to have, because you are pointed in the right direction as to what you should do, what you should not do.
Hold on.
Then now, this is the main attraction, right? So stay tuned. We will have full tours of these model units coming up. All right, so just a quick peek, guys. This is inside the 2-bed, 2-bath unit. All right.
It's a quick peek.
This is a beautiful development. And beside us here, we have one of the supervisor, right? They're doing a marvelous job. What's your name, sir?
Steve Finley.
You're Mr. Finley?
Yes.
Yeah, man. You know, so...
Supervisor for the trucking company, yeah. Brahma Construction.
Yes.
Yes, and we start over here.
Nice.
Yes, and you know, see the place look like this now. Yeah, it's a breathtaking thing, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, and we have the Great House up there. Yes, where when you come back, you can have a view at the Great House.
Yes.
And the office over there and things.
So you're the one that bring in all the aggregates, you take all the dump, all of that.
Everything.
Yeah, so bring in all the
construction.
Yes.
Appliances, yes, and plus block, cement, steel, everything to do with construction.
Yes.
I'm the one that takes it here.
Awesome. Yes. Bring in all the fleet.
Yes.
We have a 2025 deadline. You know, I'm handing over, gonna be starting. Let me just put the camera this way.
Yes.
Yeah, been a very busy day for us. I'm sweating, you know. But we have a 2025 first quarter deadline for the first stage of handing over.
Yes.
Phase 1 will be completed at the end of 2025, so you know you have your work cut out.
Yes.
And you're up to it?
Yes, man. Never say die. When I come to my boss, them never say die.
Yes.
Yes, man.
Good.
Them man there is a man, you know?
Great.
Yes, man.
Great.
And them live up to them expectations, so.
Yes.
Yes, and them said that time, that's the time working with.
Great.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, remember say a little glimpses we are giving, you know, we're excited about it, right? So we have glass sliding doors leading out into this huge patio area. I mean, out here is so huge, and out here has the added advantage of being transformed into an extra bedroom if you choose so. Okay.
Backyard.
Yes, I want to point out some more features. So your units, if you see the units are walled, right here it's a gated community. You have your large landscape out here that you can, you know, enjoy with your family, entertain. Another great place for entertainment, more Patroen upstairs. The steps are already prepared right here that leads you up to the rooftop. Come on. So this community will be extensive, and we're literally at the beginning of the community. These are the first 2 constructions here. You see how we are bringing this to no early bird special are still available for you know. So cash buyers get a special discount. Pre-construction purchases get a special discount. So we're at the infancy, and now is the time for you to come in and get those big savings, especially, and don't think that these savings are not relevant. They are relevant. It offsets a lot of costs that can come with purchasing a home. So come in, okay? Contact the Delpratt family. So this is the rooftop terrace that almost equals the square feet of the ground floor, and you have all the space to entertain, to relax, to put up your gazebo. You can even use this space for your solar plant or your solar panels that can man your solar system. By the way, this particular community has a lot of add-on features, so you can definitely contact us and let's see how we can get you that ideal home where you don't have to worry about no form of light bill, because solar system can be added to your purchase if you so desire. What do you think? I love the fact that I can come up here and see the look at this beautiful mountain range, and this way, ooh, you have so much view up here, right? So this is going to be a great chill spot, a great hangout spot, a great cool down location. So let us know if you are interested in this property. All right,
this development is really a model community. It has a lot of amenities. All right, I'm going to start with the water supply. So this community has its own well and own water treatment facility as well. It has its own sewage treatment that can even supply the outside community. So for the water supply and the wastewater treatment, both of those are, you know, more than enough for this development. You can get add-on as related to solar. That's an add-on advantage there. So you can customize for smart home options, many options. As we mentioned before, the Great House in the distance there will become your clubhouse as a homeowner here at Great House Estate. So it will be amazing. There's a river on site and extensive areas for recreation. It will be awesome. So we are up here.
Commercial center, did you mention that?
Of course, too. Cass just mentioned the commercial center, guys. There will be a commercial center just outside your gate. Mm-hmm. So you can literally come to your gate to get fast food, get ice cream, lots of amenities. You know, lots of different stores. If you run out of sugar or rice at home, you can come to the supermarket out here. You can get that.
And easy access to the highways as well. So we do have a highway right here that can lead you right into Portmore, right into Kingston, right into Spanish Town. Currently the South Coast Highway leads into Old Harbour, and so you can definitely access the community through that highway. It's nice and quick. However, plans are being put in place for another exit to be placed on that South Coast Highway that will lead in a more direct way to the community, right at Tedford Farm Road, which is the road on which the community is on. So tell me, if you guys remember what happened to St. Thomas when they got their highway, or the prices for their property and their land just skyrocketed, you guys can definitely get a feel of what's about to come to Old Harbour, what's about to especially come to Great House Estates. So this is the perfect opportunity for you guys to come on board. We will be having an open house for this community, so persons will be able to see these units in face to face. For what it's worth, the 2-bedroom, 2-bath, the 3-bedroom, 3-bath. So come out, listen out for that date. We'll be telling you guys both on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok. So if you haven't followed the Delpratt family and all their handles, go and look for us, okay? We'll be sending out those information, and we're looking forward to meeting you guys. So if you want to come out, want to meet us, want to talk to us, we would definitely be there on our open house day. So look out for that information. If you are interested in purchasing this property or any other property, remember that our contact information is running along the bottom of the screen. And you can also find it in the description box. Send us an email, send us a WhatsApp, give us a call. We'll be looking out for you, and we'll be happy to hear from you. All right. If you are looking for a property and you're in Jamaica, it will be the perfect time to come to our open house. So I'm again telling you, our open house will be late September to early October. So listen out for that on our social media handles. Thank you again for joining the Delpratt family on this wonderful occasion. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're not subscribed, come on, subscribe, right? Give us a thumbs up on this and every other content that you see us post. Thank you again for your love and support. Yeah, and peace. Bye guys.